Hey guys, it's been forever since I've done a CVS video, but the deals are so great this week that I went ahead and did a CVS haul and put it together to share with you. So I'm going to share with you the money makers as well as just the really good deals this week, as well as how I used my $10 off a $60 purchase email coupon that I got. I'll also tell you how to make sure you're signed up for those email coupons. Now, sorry I don't look nicer. I took an exercise class. I swung by CVS for one last thing and then came home and I wanted to get the video out as soon as possible. One day I will actually shower and fix my hair and put on makeup and look nice for a video, but that day probably won't be anytime soon. Let's just face it, this is kind of how I roll in my normal life. First of all, freebie. Now, use the code 3FREE57 and get 3 free 5x7 photos. That felt like a mouthful. And I completely forgot to pick them up when I was at CVS, but I did do it just to make sure it worked, and it worked beautifully. I did it through the app. Sadly, I don't know when that coupon will go away. So just get into the app, add 3 5x7 photos to a photo order, put in that code, you should see the amount come off completely. Then it still wanted me to input a payment method, so I chose pay in store, but it showed my total as 0. I just completely forgot to pick them up while I was just at the store. Thankfully, the CVS, I could walk to it if I wanted to. It's very close to my home. So that's one of the freebies this week. Now let's talk about those email and text alert coupons. I put out a little reel on this a while ago, but this is generally how you can tell if you are signed up for those text and email coupons. You can turn them on if you want them on. You can turn them off if you want them off, but open your app, go to your account. At the top of the screen, you're going to see your extra care number. Click on that. Then you're going to see email preferences and text preferences. When you click on each of those, it's going to show you where you can turn on or deselect getting those personalized offers sent to you. Obviously, I want them turned on because I enjoy getting those coupons to my email, and it comes to your email for email preferences. It's associated with your CVS account, or directly to your phone if you sign up for the text messages. I sign up for both because it tends to be different offers that come to each of those accounts. Now, let's talk about the money maker first, right? Let's talk about the CoverGirl. So there are a number of CoverGirl coupons in the app this week. There was a $4 digital for a face product. There was a $4 digital for an eye product. I also had a $4 CVS CRT off of any CoverGirl product, and that a manufacturer coupon and a CVS store coupon will stack together. So I picked up the Clean Matte powder at $7.29 and then the Perfect Blend eyeliner at $4.99. Again, $4 digital, $4 digital, $4 CRT, so $12 in coupons. I paid 28 cents. But then these are on promotion for getting a $5 extra care buck back. So I actually made $4.72 buying both of these. And with CVS, so much simpler than Walgreens. You can 100% use your extra care bucks to pay every single time. You're going to get those extra care bucks back. No issues. So that's a CoverGirl deal. Let me know down in the comments if you have questions. This one was just an easy deal and super cheap if you need toothbrushes. The Healthy Clean Oral-B toothbrushes. At my store, they're $1.49. Your store may be a little less expensive. But I noticed we had a $5 off 3 digital coupon. We want to buy 4 because we need to be above that $5 mark. So after that $5 digital came off, I paid 96 cents for all 4 of them, or just 24 cents each. Now I know you may be thinking, why would I pay for oral care products? I can get them for free. That's a great, reasonable, logical thing to say. Don't buy them if you don't want to. The reason I went ahead and picked it up, 1, because I wanted to show you the deal, but 2, you can submit your receipt to PG Good Everyday Rewards and get 50 points back for each of the P&G products that you purchase, and then you can take those points and cash them out to gift cards. So it ends up being a moneymaker if you can get to that gift card mark, which this purchase will get me there. So PG Good Everyday Rewards, I will drop a link to join down below. It's completely free. It's always free. It's not going to cost you money. You can get points to cash out to gift cards, but you can also print coupons from there. So I love that program. Super simple to use. Again, I'll drop a link for you down below. Now, y'all know I love a good food deal. I'm going to share a number of them at the end of the video in pictures that I've done the matchup for. But one of the deals was on the coffee, which y'all know I love coffee deals. But another deal was on Cheerios and Kellogg's. So they're 3 for $6, but there was $1 digital for the General Mills cereal, so that made it 3 for $5 or just $1.66 each. I picked these up because we go through Cheerios like crazy, but I also put this in my $10 off a $60 purchase transaction that I did. And I will tell you exactly how I did that transaction after I walk through these individual deals. So that was that. The Old Spice. Now, there are a few of the scents that apply to the Ibotta offer. These are $7 each, so purchasing 2 is $14. There was a $3 digital. It said Olay, I believe, but it attached to these products when I scanned them, and it attached when I checked out. So I paid $11. But then I got back $3 for each of them because there was an Ibotta offer, meaning I paid $5 total or just $2.50 each. I think there was also an any body wash Ibotta offer as well that gave me another 10 cents back, so it actually was a little bit less expensive. But again, I put this in my $60 transaction as well. Now let's talk about the Lysol deal. This one, I haven't seen this deal at CVS, and Becky Coupons on Instagram is the one who I saw this deal from. These are on sale this week for $7.29, okay? That's also on promotion for spend $15, get $3 in extra care box. So we need to buy 3 of them to get to $15 at $7.29. You want to go to coupons.com and print out 3 $2 coupons. Now, if you know coupons.com, you know you can only print it twice from one computer. So I know that involves 2 computers. You may or may not have that capability, but print out 3 of the $2 coupons. That way you can reduce your out-of-pocket cost at the register. That means that you would pay $15.87, get back $3 in extra care bucks, but there's an Ibotta offer for $2.50 back on each. So that's $7.50 back on Ibotta, dropping your final cost down to $5.37 for all 3 of them, or $1.79 each. Now, I'm a dum-dum, and I went to my exercise class, completely forgot to bring my printed coupons with me. So I purchased these with no coupons. Now, there are rebates on the, or coupons on the different rebate apps that I have submitted my receipt to, and I haven't gotten the credit yet. I literally just did this, came home to do the video. But I can let you know if those process because I bought 3 of them, which means I can submit to 3 different apps in theory and get the $2 back on one because that's only 1 coupon per product. So I submitted to the coupons.com app, I submitted to the ShopMam app, and I submitted to a Microsoft app that I'm playing with. Someone just told me about it and I'm playing with it. So I will let you know if those process. The easiest way to do this is to print the coupons and reduce your out-of-pocket at the register. Sometimes these coupon apps like coupons.com, the way the CVS receipt looks, like if you use extra care bucks to pay, they may say, oh, you used a coupon on it, you can't get a coupon here as well. So I actually did this separately. I paid with a gift card and no extra care bucks. That way I was reducing the chances that they would disapprove my receipt. So again, I'll let you know how all of that works out. If you've done it and you have some advice on it, please drop it down in the comments below. Now, last laundry deal, spend 30, get 10. I picked up 3 products at $5.49. The Gain Flings, the are they called flings? Yeah, Gain flings at $5.49, the Gain liquid at $5.49, and then the Downy Unstoppables, the little ones, at $5.49. I had a $1 digital coupon for each of those in the CVS app. I also picked up the Downy Rinse and Refresh. This is a big one at $12.99. I'm looking for my little sticker. Okay. Check your app. See if you had a $3 coupon for this. I did not. So I didn't get the additional $3 off, but you might definitely use it if you do. I just had the $3 for the Gain and then this small Downy product. So I paid $26.46 for this. I used extra care bucks to pay. I got back $10 for spending $30 from CVS. I got back $6.50 on Ibotta for this one. So check Ibotta, see if that $6.50 is still there, which means I paid $9.96 total, or just $2.49 each. Now, I was just short of the $30, but I was close enough that that $10 extra care buck does trigger. You have to be at 98% of the way to that $30. If I had had that $3 coupon, my total would have been $6.96 for all 4 of them instead of $9.96. Still a good deal for me, even without that $3 coupon, because here's how I put it together yesterday, late in the day when I went shopping at CVS. I got all of those laundry products that I just talked about. I didn't purchase the Lysol. I did not purchase the toothbrushes, just these laundry products, the 2 Old Spice, the CoverGirl, and the Cheerios. That after all of the coupons and the 10 off 60, I paid $32.74. Again, I paid with extra care bucks. I got back $5 in extra care bucks for the CoverGirl. I got back $10 extra care buck for the laundry deal, $6.50 for the Downy, and $6 on Ibotta for the Old Spice, leaving my final cost for all of those items, $5.24. $5.24, which is a good deal just on the cereal alone. So that's my CVS haul for this week. And don't forget, I did submit to the PG Good Everyday Rewards program, completely free. And that haul will get me to my next $5 gift card for them. So it all just kind of stacks together and keeps adding up for better and better deals. Again, I will link the Procter & Gamble program below. If you have any questions on this, let me know. If there are other deals you are finding, let us know down in the comments. Please help each other out. Again, I will pull up pictures of the items that I put together for additional food deals for this week. As soon as I stop talking, those will pop up on your screen. One other thing to look for is clearance in the food section. Last week, and I still saw it this week when I was at the store, I just didn't buy any, the Ritz, I should have pulled them out, the Ritz like cream cheese and onion chips were marked 65% off, so they were just over $1. And then the Gold Emblem products, a lot of those were also marked 75% off. So definitely take just a quick run down the grocery aisles in your CVS to see if you see some clearance tags. Thanks, guys.